What's good with y'all? What's good with y'all? What's good? We're checking in for another video, man. Part 2 of another episode, pretty much might well say, but it's a separate episode. Got my fan Rick over here getting it in. He putting the radiator in, and I got to finish priming, y'all. Y'all remember last episode it started raining, so I'm gonna prime it. I'm gonna stick the drill and cooled off and charged up, obviously. So I'm gonna finish priming it, and I gotta spin the engine one more time. But got the radiator in here. I got that plate to go on top too to hold it. We got the electric fan and all that, and I got the zip ties to, to hold the fan on the right way. I got all that stuff. So he working on the transmission lines and all of that. Then after we get this done, gonna be able to put the he got the cooler out here too, so we're gonna be able to put the header on over there. We're trying to see that. Gonna be too wide, ain't it? Too wide, y'all. So we'll have to do some. I'm taking to get some of them brackets made. Holla at Unc. Get some of them custom brackets made. Y'all know he'll hook something up. So the zip ties to do it right now. It ain't gonna go nowhere. But like I said, when I get it fired up, I'll take it over to his shop. He'll make some brackets. There's a bolt right here, and they come over and hold it. Simple job, real simple task. So radiator, if you want the radiator, I got the link in the description. Like I said, Amazon and all of that, so you can get the radiator. It was $140, I think. But yeah, it rolling along, man, getting everything rolling and all of that. So y'all just stay tuned, man. We're gonna see what we get done today. And oh yeah, I gotta finish doing that. We gotta drop the gasket in there. Y'all remember that from the last episode. I gotta drop the gasket down in it. But yeah, so we just rolling, man. I'm about to hook this drill up, finish priming it, while Rick rolling along doing everything else, and we're gonna see what we get done. So y'all just stay tuned. Alright, y'all, so Rick rolling on that, getting the radiator tied to the, getting the fan tied to the radiator. He got the cooler. Oh yeah, look at the cooler right there. Clean spot, he took the oil cooler down and mounted it. Yeah, there he got him running like that. Told y'all he do clean work now. Clean work. So that's what Rick got going on. Y'all just saw the B-roll. I was finished priming the engine. I guess I'm finished. I'm pretty sure it's done. That drill kick up oil pressure, so see, it don't take long, but I always check these. So I'm checking on. Yep, they oil too. All of them oil. I'm pretty sure that side like that too. All of them oil. I ain't gonna pick it all the way up, cause like I said, I'm already gotta line it back up, y'all. But when you prime, man, check your valve covers. If you do it on the engine stand, most people do it with the valve covers off, and then you'll see them coming up through the rocker. But I do it like this. Either way, just make sure oil coming to your rockers, all your rocker arms or whatever. So all these oiled up, and I smell that good royal purple oil too. I smell it. So I'm about to pop this on. Check the other side, and then the other side oiled up. We done with the priming process. We don't have no leaks. Check that so we can move forward to something else. So y'all just stay tuned. Alright, so this what we got going on. Priming done. Got the new hole, distributor hole down right there. Better one. And we got Let me see. Rick putting the other header up through there now since he got the transmission lines and all that. Ran everything zip tied, nice and neat. He went ahead and hooked the AC line in. Radiator mounted. Fan on there all neat and everything. We can, oh well, we're gonna put the bottom pulley and all that on. We gotta make a line on the harmonic balancer. And we gotta put the timing tab on there. I forgot about that. I meant to do it last episode, y'all, but
got the line on there already.
Oh, you already got the line?
Yeah.
So Rick already got the line, so we just gotta put the timing tab on there. That's why I said we didn't put none of that front stuff on to block it, so we can get to it, be easy. What I'm about to do is I'm about to go ahead and run that new oil pressure line to the sending unit call. I went by AutoZone and picked up the copper line. Like I said, I was just using that nylon line just to get to prime it. So this is stuff I picked up some knick-knack stuff I thought about. Well, I got the belts, AC and the alternator belt. You know, at any time those can be too long or too short. Pressure cap, because you know Big Meats needed that, and I wanted the pressure cap on the new radiator too. I like them better, so I got that. We got spark plug wire holders. Keep the wire nice and neat. And a fuel filter. I always like these kind. I don't like them kind of glass filters. I don't like them. They clog up real quick. Then we got the copper line, and we got a fuel pump block off. Cause gotta put this up there. It come with the gasket and all, so I just bought a new one. I had one, but like I said, it come with the gasket and all that. So, you know, I got this. So I'm about to pop this on. I'm gonna go ahead and pop that on. Then I'm gonna run this through there, hook it in the back of the gauge, oil pressure gauge, and we'll have that all squared away before dropping the distributor in. Cause it's a whole lot easier to tighten it down while the distributor ain't in the way. So we're gonna go ahead and get all that hooked up. Then we're gonna see where we at. Rick going ahead and putting the crankshaft pulley on. So we're gonna get all that hooked up. Then we're gonna catch y'all in a minute. So we're checking in. Got the gauges. They just sitting right there for now. You know, it'll be clean cut, and I figure out how I'm gonna want them mounted and everything. Y'all know what I might do? I might have some built right there. Have it covered up like they do in the Camaros. I might have that covered up and then put them right there or whatever. But I'm probably gonna change the console, be honest with y'all. Boy, Steve said he probably hooked something up for me. But y'all see I got them tucked away. We just got to put that back. We got to screw that back, cover the wires up. That'll be all neat. And we got to screw the OBD2 port back up there, but it's simple. So all that'll be covered up for people that want nitpick. I got my memory wire right there. Still got to run. All that. Then we'll be getting all that interior and all that other good stuff straightened out. So got that done. Let me see. So now I gotta cut the excess off of the copper line with the line cutter and screw it in. And we got that. We just gotta put Teflon tape on these fittings up here, the heater hole fitting and this. And I gotta get that timing tab. We gotta put that on. So we got to do that. Said sun going down on us. We'll probably get that a little bit done. Rick putting the head on. Got the head on, I should say. He got the gaskets in there. Yeah, man. Like I said, we just Teflon tape there. Timing tab. He already got the balancer marked. Crankshaft pulley tight. I don't think I got this snug. Nah, we gotta tighten it. I don't think so. Yeah. And yeah, like I said, I'm finna get this hooked up, cause you know we got to have this hooked up. when we crank it, y'all. We skin oil everywhere we don't. So yep, y'all just stay tuned. Alright, we checking in. Rick working on that header. Said that's a grown man over there. And we I just got that oil press gauge, the line screwed in, so we good to go right there. It just, we down here, man. Like I said, when Rick come over here, I get motivated, man. I had lost my motivation for a minute. I ain't gonna tell y'all no lie. I ain't tell y'all about that, man. I knew I wasn't that motivated. I guess cause I had been turning wrenches so much, and we had been going back and forth on meats. I was like, man, I just need a break. I came out here one day, I forgot what episode it was. I was like, man, I got a whole sunny day. I'm about to go in. I ain't hardly get nothing done. I was sitting there right there on that weight bench more than I was doing stuff. I was like, I ain't motivated. That same day, I called Rick that evening. I was like, bro. I said, man, what you told me, man? You told me to come put this thing together, whatever, cause I ain't motivated. I ain't motivated like that. So here we are, like, bro, like, man, I got you. You know, I got you, whatever. So he said we'll work on that, all that. There where we at. So pulling up, man, Rick. Hey, like I said, I appreciate him. I appreciate him. I'm telling y'all, even though he right here, I tell him all the time. I'm telling y'all too, man, for real. So I mean, he over here. We got some stuff done. Cause I wasn't looking to get all this done, man. But hey, he get to moving. Hey, he be everywhere, just boom, 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 boom. Then you look up, this, that, and the third done. So said he been rolling. Said it getting dark on us now, but we down here. I mean, what you want to try to put the timing tab on while we at it?
Yeah, we good.
Try to go ahead and get that done. I guess we'll just put the timing tab on, y'all, cause it's an important part. And shoot, we'll be down here, man. I mean, we really not far from cranking. Looking at it, we got dry shaft in. I just gotta grease the back bearing. Back U joint, but really ain't far from cranking up, man. I mean, we gotta put it top dead center, all that good stuff. I gotta get some aniseed, y'all. That's what I forgot for the spark plugs. Put the spark plugs in. Aluminum head. You gotta put aniseeds on the spark plugs or whatever. So I forgot that. I gotta get that tomorrow. But yeah, we fighting against the weather. Luckily we got a day today. Cause early today it came down, but then it ended up being clear. So we got the evening. But I don't know. We don't know what tomorrow looking like. Say I'm trying to get this thing crunk up for y'all this week, man. That's the plan. I'm trying to crank it up and really have it running dry. Trying to crank it up cause we got the dry cell. We got the part where we can move it. Like I said, we probably pull it off. We ain't really lacking much like that. So I'm going ahead and get that timing tab out, clean up, then we're gonna get that on. So y'all just stay tuned. All right, so we checking in. The timing tab, I'm gonna have to order. I got two of them in there, both of them for the big balancer. So I got to order that. I'm about to go in there and order that from Summit. So we'll get that. So Rick go ahead and finishing up that other header, and they're gonna be it. But it look like an engine now, y'all. It look like an engine. So, oh yeah, y'all remember the other video? We did the LED install. So since it's getting dark, I can show y'all what we looking like. So y'all hear all these gunshots, man. They sound real close to the house. When this car right here get done, I'm gonna have to welcome them to the neighborhood. I gotta do an intro with Dolo, so hey, it's gonna be some black moths. Gonna be some black moths out there. Have to. Let's see what we looking like. Yeah. Look good. LEDs put you in there, y'all. I mean, the camera don't never do LED justice. You can't really see them like that, but yeah, they look good at night. So y'all remember, if you want the LED, man, go to the video where I did the install. Go check that out. You know, I got the link in. So yeah, man, it's a good day at work. We got a lot done. I feel like we down here. Like I said, fuel pump mount and all that. I gotta run that wire though. I gotta run a hot wire. But yeah, we look like an engine. When I get the timing tab, we can set it top dead center and all of that. Oh, we gotta wire up the electric fan too. We gotta wire that up. Probably put it on a relay. Yeah, man, we shoot. We about there. We ain't lacking much, y'all. But y'all be hearing this thing soon. Y'all should be hearing Dolo soon, man. Everybody. So, yep, that's it for today. Hope everybody enjoyed the video, man. Gonna catch y'all.